Polly. Wanna fight? Frighten of me. Well, And anyway, hey, welcome, viewers. And it's me, Cutie Birds, and here's Polly. What are you doing, Polly? He's every time frightened of me. And why? Well, it is Saturday. Well, the day I recorded this video is Saturday. If you can hear me, comment me if you can hear me. And if you can't, also comment me. Here are my budgies, and as you can see, I have 2 ladders in their cages and changing toys, and those big things are actually made by clay. Just for them to lay eggs, for the female ones. That purple one and this yellow one will lay eggs. How long is this? How long is this thing? Well, it's my Polly. It's Polly's one, actually. Don't eat your wood. Don't eat your wood. Okay, Polly? Oh. I also gave him a ladder, and the toy they had. When I changed a few toys and gave a few to him, he doesn't do anything. But when I show him, he's frightened. Look. And when I open the door, he's even more frightened. Anyway, what are you doing, buddies? And if I want, I will show all my budgies and parrots food. Polly actually eats, and Polly, he loves, sunflower seeds, leaf seeds. Well, he eats all the sunflower seeds, and that's why no more sunflower seeds in there. Huh. And I don't know what they eat, but they eat something. Oh, and for budgies, don't give too much water because these budgies are small, and you can give parrots more because parrots are big sized. And secretly, Polly is young, close to 1 year old, and my other dead parrot was also close to 1 year old. Okay, now let me just teach him how to say Polly. Polly, 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 Polly. Say it. Say Polly. Polly, 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 Polly. Say. And from Rico Costanel, if you know him, know Rico Costanel, just see some video. See, Rico is also so great. One of Rico's videos, I heard that forgot. Oh yeah, now I remember. He, you, if you say something nicely like good morning, good night. If you say something like this, and then I heard it. That time I heard Enrico's channel that they get excited. That, that's why I started to teach him how to talk. But it will be a bit hard because teaching parents how to talk is kind of hard, right? Except uh, except for the birds which are only a few months old or newborn. He's not newborn. He's close to 1 year old. Now my budgies, I don't know how much old they are, but I know they could be young. Here are my budgies. I want to touch my parrot, but frightened. See, frightened. But in the night they can see me. That's why it kind of touched my butt. The purple budgie. Which one? Stomach is purple. That one. Not that one. Touch that one. When she comes here, I do this. I don't let them bite me. I try. One day I tried to touch her wing. That time he hurt me, but I didn't get that much hurt. Now back to my parrot. Now, when you won't come very fast to them, and they kind of get frightened, and I go slowly so they don't get frightened anyway. You should also do it. Now, this is the end of the video. Now I'll teach you more talking. Polly, 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 Polly. 6 hours later. Polly, 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 Polly. Polly, 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 Polly. I will give them a name later. Well, say Polly. Polly, 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 Polly. Okay, it will take a few months, maybe. I want my parrot to talk. Hey, look at the camera. Look at the camera. Anyway, looks at me every time. Now, this is the end of the video.